In this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox and review this 19-inch light ring by Pixel, and we're going to go ahead and do that right now. What's up? It's Native Mags, and today I'm very excited about this video. But before we get started, let me know what type of lighting you use and prefer in the comments below. And like always, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Don't miss out on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos like this. Smashing that like button lets me know that you want to see more content like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting with the light ring, it is a 19-inch 55-watt LED. The light ranges from about 3000 Kelvin to about 5800 Kelvin, so you can go ahead and get kind of that soft light all the way up to that really bright light. The light also comes with a 48-channel 5-group setting wireless remote, so you can go ahead and change your settings on the fly, and you can go ahead and preset for different videos you may be doing, whether you're doing makeup tutorials, videos like this, and reviews. Now it also has a 75-inch stand for the light and for your camera. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into this and show you the difference between the lighting setup we have now, and we're going to set the camera up on the tripod with the light and see the difference. Right now I have a rectangular LED light that's kind of just shining on me from the front there. Well, the back of the camera, my front, and we got the light back here and a couple on the sides. Now this is in the hotel room, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get this light. It's because in these hotel rooms I can open the light, but there's a lot of traffic, a lot of things going on out there, noise, so I kind of leave that closed to kind of damper it. With this light, it should give me better lighting to do some more videos. So let's go ahead and switch over to that lighting and we'll check it out. Alright, so we got everything set up. The camera is on the light ring, the stand's up, everything is good to go. Now I know the color looks a little funky. That's because I have it at 3000 Kelvin at 54%, and we're going to go through kind of the light ranges that it has. Just a wide spectrum. Now the remote, it feels really good. Has a little screen on there, you can tell has a bunch of channels. You just link up the remote channel with the channel on the back, the receiver. They get different modes, different buttons you can press, power and all that stuff, but I think it just powers off the remote and not the camera. Yep, just powers off the remote. It would have been nice if it powers them both off so you can just hit it and go, keep it over here, but you'll have to hit the switch in the back. Right now we're at 3000 Kelvin at 50%. We're going to go ahead and shoot it up to 100. Now I'm probably going to look really blown out in some of these, but that's fine. This is just for testing and reviewing. And we're going to go ahead and bring it back down to 50%. And we will shoot up to about 5400, and you can kind of see the range of the lights. Now this is at 50%, and you actually can go as low as you want all the way down to get that right setting that you want. You can go all the way up to 100 and blow us out. There we go. We're highly blown out and it's gonna look horrible, but whatever. And we're gonna go switch back down to 50. Now I said before this only goes up to like 5800, but when I clicked on this, it actually goes all the way up to 8000. Kind of get this light right here, and this is at 50%, and we'll go ahead and jump it all the way up to 100. Now there wasn't too much difference right here when you're at 50, when you're at 8000 Kelvin. Now we'll bring this back down a little bit so we look a little bit more better. And on this remote here, you have different groups. So if you want to set a group to do an unboxing videos, maybe for this, you can set group A to your settings. You had to go ahead and group B to if you're doing makeup tutorials or anything like that, and just whatever your settings are for maybe different areas of your studio or the videos you're making. Now that comes with a nice little case. The stand does not fit in the case, so you have to carry that separate. It's not too big, it's kind of compact. So that's pretty much all of the light. I'm going to continue to use this. I like this better than my LEDs. So this ring light definitely gets a thumbs up. Definitely gets an okay with me. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the thumbs up. If you didn't, make sure you smash that thumbs up. hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. And everything we talk about will be in the links below. You can go ahead to Amazon and check that out. And y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. I'm out.